Mango chicken with coconut rice in cilantro lime sauce. This dish combines sweet and savory flavors and offers a unique and memorable dining experience. Ingredients: for the mango chicken: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 ripe mangoes, peeled, pitted, and diced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, salt and black pepper to taste, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, juice of 1 lime. For the coconut rice: 1 cup long grain white rice, 1½ cups coconut milk, ½ cup water, ½ teaspoon salt. For the cilantro lime sauce: ½ cup fresh cilantro leaves, juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes. Adjust to your spice preference. Instructions: mango chicken. Season the chicken breasts with cumin, salt, and black pepper. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the seasoned chicken breasts to the skillet and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until they are cooked through and have a golden brown crust. In a separate bowl, combine the diced mango, lime juice, and chopped cilantro. Serve the cooked chicken with the mango salsa on top. Coconut rice. In a medium saucepan, combine the rice, coconut milk, water, and salt. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Cilantro lime sauce. In a blender or food processor, combine the fresh cilantro, lime juice, Greek yogurt, honey, and red pepper flakes. Blend until smooth. Adjust the thickness by adding more yogurt or honey as needed. Serve. Plate the coconut rice as a base, and top with the mango chicken. Drizzle the cilantro lime sauce over the chicken and around the plate for extra flavor. Garnish with additional fresh cilantro and a lime wedge for presentation. This recipe offers a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors and is sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy your mango chicken with coconut rice and cilantro lime sauce.